Hello, my name is Chris Bird, and I am a instructor that basically I teach coast to coast a number of real estate classes every year. And my specialty is taxes, federal taxes. And I want to tell you about a 3-hour course I've written that I think is really a kind of a must attend for realtors around the country. It's a combination of a course that I call Tax Write-Offs for Self-Employed, and the inclusion of the new Tax Cut and Jobs Act of December 22nd of 2017, which basically has its major impact in 18 and later years. But those two topics, tax write-offs and the inclusion of this new tax act, is a really fact-filled 3-hour seminar on things that you need to be aware of. I'll be talking about the heavy sport utility vehicle deduction. I'll be talking about the pickup truck deduction. I'll be talking about the new entertainment rules, where a lot of you are going to be disappointed to know that what you've been able to deduct in 17 and earlier years may not be deductible in 18 and later years because of the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. I'll be taking you through the new rules with regard to home mortgage interest deductibility and the fact that we no longer can deduct home equity loan interest, that is where we've used the home as collateral for a loan and used the money from the home equity loan to do personal things with, like personal cars, boats, pay a wedding, things like that. You need to be aware of that. We'll talk about the new higher standard deduction. We'll talk about the $10,000 limit on combination of state and local income taxes and real estate taxes on your home. We'll talk about all of these things, but the biggest thing that I want to encourage you to hear from me is this new 20% qualified business income deduction, which is brand new for 2018 and later years. It is hot. It is a deduction for nothing, right? It's a deduction of 20% of your profits if you qualify from your real estate trade or business, potentially your rentals, and from other pass-through investments that you might have, like from partnerships and things like that. This 20% is literally brand new. I cannot tell you how enthusiastic I am about it and how it can save you thousands of dollars in taxes when you file your 2018 return. So this is a must-attend 3-hour seminar, and I really encourage you to come and hear me talk about these very interesting, relevant, and significant tax-saving topics. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.